In this video, we are going to look at how to set up data feeds to get price updates for our holdings and to be able to plot equity curves. We will also look at how to set up data feed plugins to download stock information such as its full name and fundamental data. Currently, Stock Portfolio Organizer can download data for free from Yahoo and AlphaVantage. By the time you watch this video, there will most likely be more free sources. Before we begin, we need to go over a few things. Firstly, Stock Portfolio Organizer separates quote data into three different streams: end of day, real time, and tick. When you have a particular view open, you can select which stream of data it should use. For example, if we open the currently open trades view and we have a real-time data feed set up, we should switch the data stream for the view to real-time. You should almost immediately see the current price column update using real-time data if it is available. Secondly, once a data feed has been set up, it should download data automatically when needed. For example, end-of-day data feeds should automatically run when the program is first opened or when a new ticker has been added. Real-time and tick data feeds should run during the market's trading hours and only for trades that are currently open. If needed, data feeds can also be triggered to run from the main navigation panel over here. Now that we have that out of the way, let's set up a data feed to download data for our portfolio. Our portfolio has trades for only one market, the Australian Stock Exchange. If you have trades for multiple markets, just follow the same procedure for each market. To begin with, open the Data tab in the main menu, then select Data Feeds and click New. In the list of data feed plugins, choose Yahoo End of Day, then go to Plugin Settings and choose Australian Stock Exchange as the market. We need to do this to tell the plugin what suffix to use when looking up symbols for our market on Yahoo Finance. For example, the symbol BHP becomes BHP.AX. The .AX indicates that the symbol belongs to the Australian Stock Exchange. Once that is done, click OK. Next, select Australian Stock Exchange for the target market. This tells Stock Portfolio Organizer what market this data feed is for. Finally, open the Throttle Requests tab and enable Throttle Requests, and enter 2 in the maximum number of requests field. What this will do is prevent too many requests being sent to the Yahoo server, to prevent our IP from being blocked or generating certain errors. Now you can click Save. Since this is an end-of-day data feed that runs on demand and startup, we need to trigger it to run manually for it to update prices now. So close the data feeds window, and in the main navigation panel, find the data feed that we just created. Should be under data feeds, and click the refresh button. If you have the currently open trades view open, you should see prices being updated slowly as the data feed fetches new data, provided you have the correct data stream selected. Now that we have price updates, we can also set up a data feed to download stock names and various fundamental data. This is very helpful when importing ticker symbols from a list or when a new ticker is added via a trade entry window. The procedure is the same as before, except this time we will select the Yahoo Stock Info plugin. So we go to Data Feeds, select New, we select the Stock Info plugin, go to Plugin Settings and select Australian Stock Exchange, then OK. We'll select the Australian Stock Exchange as the target market again as before, and in Throttle Requests we'll enable and set the number of requests to 2. Then click Save. As with before, we'll click Run. We'll wait for it to finish running. And once it is finished running, we'll refresh the view. And if we click a ticker, we can see that it's downloaded the name and a bunch of fundamental data.